repair, reuse, repurpose, recycle. Today I'm going to show you just another use for pallet wood. Right here I'm making a cover for my chicken brooder. I have a little plastic chicken brooder that I need a cover for. This wood is off a pallet. This is all pallet wood all the way around. This wire, this chicken wire, was from a discarded fence. I just needed a little piece that I cut out of it. And on this side, to hold it down, see this brown board? This board here, I just threw out a desk, and this wood was the back of the desk. I cut it out just for supports to hold it together in the corners. Now I wanted to use it leaving this side up. This is nice looking wood on this side, but the nails I used were a little too long and they came all the way through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another layer on here. Instead of using nails, I'm going to screw it in, just so if this should ever rip, I can replace it. It'll make this a little thicker. And on the edges, I'm just going to use a short piece of pallet wood. Hey John, come here. John. Thought you were helping me. Hold the edge, hold it up like this. You don't have to do anything, just... I'm going to use another piece of pallet wood across the top. This is going to be 2 pallet boards thick, and I'm going to put a piece coming this way, just about maybe 14 inches on both sides, to hold it in place so it doesn't shift back and forth. Again, this is just a quick video to show you what could be done with pallet wood, what you could do to recycle. This is a 10-minute job over here. You can miter the corners the way I did, or you could just cut them square. Get a thin piece of board like this. Get a thin piece of board like this to hold it together, and you're good to go. Now, if you enjoyed this video, found it useful, if it gave you a couple ideas, let me know by posting your comments down below. Give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button at the end of this video to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get my videos as I upload them. And this is what I ended up with. I double laid this pallet wood. Over here I didn't have screws that were long enough, and I didn't want to use the long ones and cut them out. So I just drilled in a little deeper than I normally would to recess them. And I put these screws in. I put these 2 pieces of pallet wood, one on each side, just to make a lip. And this is how I'm going to use it. I'm going to use this plastic bin for about another week. This is the cover on top. I have the light resting on here. At night, if it gets a little cool, I can cover this up. It's not much to cover, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's heavy enough, and it won't slide back and forth because I have these end pieces. Again, this was made out of all scrap pallet wood. A couple of screws I had left over from another project. There's always nails and screws that are left over. And this container, I'm not sure what came in that or where I even got that from. But anyway, let's get the chicks in here and see how they like it.
I don't know what happened to the video of us taking the chickens out of one brooder, putting them into the other, and of our dog being very curious about the whole thing and some other descriptions I had on this little project. I'm using my new ProGo Camera 8, and I'm still trying to work out the kinks. I don't know how I lost that footage, but it's nowhere to be found. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay well.